Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Particle motion problems are actually super easy if you follow these 3 simple steps to find the total distance traveled. Let's solve this one fast. First, we need to find when the particle changes direction by setting the velocity function equal to 0. Solving the numerator shows the velocity is 0 at time equals 2 seconds. Next, we set up our definite integral for distance from 0 to 2. Since the velocity is negative on this interval, we must take the absolute value of the entire integral. Finally, evaluate the integral with a calculator. Rounding to 3 decimal places gives 0.541, which is option C.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs, trust given values, and check your steps carefully.